Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for food stamps in Georgia. So all you have to do is head over to tfcs.georgia.gov. From here, just hover your mouse on services, then click on SNAP. And from here, if you scroll down, you should be able to see instructions and guidelines on how you can apply for SNAP benefits. So first, you're going to need to review your SNAP benefits in Georgia by downloading this form on your preferred language. It is also important to know if you are eligible to receive the SNAP benefits. And from here, you can start creating and submit an application. And all you have to do is download the form by clicking on the link. The form is now downloaded as PDF file, and all you have to do is fill out all the necessary information about this form. Then once done, you can just submit this to the nearest DFCS office near your location. You can also submit an application by contacting their customer contact center at this hotline for you to submit an application by telephone. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!